Stay safe online with Avast.
Babe, what are you doing?
I'm gonna watch this crazy video my buddy sent me. Relax.
Please tell me you're using Avast. Even the free one?
And that's it. I've locked up all your files, photos, videos, financial documents, and now I'm holding them hostage.
Excuse me?
Hey, you're the one who clicked on it. And if you want them back, it'll cost you 0.3 Bitcoin.
How much is Bitcoin? Wait, 3 hours?
Yep, 3 hours. And if you don't pay in time, they're gone. And I mean gone.
No, I have a presentation tomorrow and I haven't backed up my photos in months.
Like I was saying, Avast makes sure our files are safe from being held hostage. There's even a free version, and it protects you against viruses, ransomware, phishing, and spyware. Did I mention it's free? Unlike what I want for my birthday.
Search for Avast. Get the world's #1 antivirus for free. Download now.